Now get right there.
Where are we going?
Get right there. Yeah, right there.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Oh, hi! Alright.
Heyo!
Heyo!
Okay, so this is the contest. To see how many life levels you put yourself in a mouth. You want to move closer?
Yeah, do we have to say, like, Chubby Bunny or something? Is this a Chubby Bunny contest?
What's a chubby buddy?
You stick a marshmallow in your mouth and
Yeah!
and then you say Chubby Bunny.
Sure.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Chubby bunny. Okay.
You ready? Chubby Bunny.
Chubby bunny.
What is this? Chubby Bunny. Is it me?
I got 5. How many you got?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Let's
5.
My neighbor's ditch. Go. We both got 5. Woo. We both got 5.
5.
My hands are all slobbery. You want to go wash them?
Yeah.
You want to turn the camera off? Okay, give it a finale. Dance. Do something. Say goodbye.
Oh, my hair back. What's up with my hair back?